Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure your ASUS UM425Q is powered off and unplugged. This will prevent any electrical damage during the process. The tools you'll need include a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by removing the back panel of your laptop. Carefully unscrew the screws located around the edges of the back cover. There are usually about 10 screws, so keep them organized. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or a similar tool to avoid damaging the casing. Now, locate the hard drive bay. Here, you should find the hard drive securely connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, ensure that you're grounded by wearing your anti-static wrist strap to avoid static discharge that could damage the components. Next, check if the hard drive is seated properly in its connector. If it's loose, carefully detach it and then reconnect it, ensuring a tight fit. This is a common issue that can lead to detection problems. If you notice any dust or debris, use the soft cloth to gently clean the area around the hard drive and the connectors. Keeping your laptop clean helps maintain performance. After reconnecting the hard drive, it's time to test if the ASUS UM425Q detects it. Reassemble the laptop by placing the back panel on and screwing it back in place. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Once it boots up, go to the BIOS settings by pressing the designated key during startup, usually F2 or delete. In the BIOS menu, navigate to the storage section to check if the hard drive is recognized. If the hard drive is detected, you can proceed to use your laptop as normal. However, if it's still not showing, there might be a more serious issue at hand. In this case, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which might save you time and frustration. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these steps, don't worry. We provide convenient pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. You can simply schedule a service, and we will handle the rest. Should you need a repair, we always provide a quote before repair, so there are no surprises. It's important to know what to expect. Once you've completed these steps, monitor your laptop's performance and ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance can help avoid future issues and keep your device running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.